Smart home gadgets are transforming the way we live. In today's video, we're putting 10 of the most amazing smart home gadgets to the test. Devices that claim to enhance everything from your home's safety to its energy efficiency. So get ready to see how they can make life more convenient, secure, and connected. Tired of shivering in your small space? The Dreo wall-mounted heater is here to warm things up. Whether you're in a chilly bathroom, a drafty bedroom, or a cold garage, this smart heater has your back. It's all about quick heat and keeping you safe. This isn't your average heater. It cranks out 50% more warmth than old-school infrared types. How? It's got a clever PTC heating design that really delivers. You'll feel the difference fast as it pushes out hot air at 11.5 feet per second. That's thanks to its powerful motor and fan working overtime for you. The heater's wave-shaped element means more hot air comes your way right where you need it. You can even point the airflow up or down by 30 degrees to hit that perfect spot. Don't worry about safety. This heater's got you covered. It's waterproof, dustproof, and fireproof. No stress about it overheating or causing accidents. You're in control with voice commands or an app. Set it to turn on before you wake up, or get alerts if something's not right. It'll even remind you if you've left a window open, saving you money on your energy bill. And here's the best part. It runs whisper quiet at just 28 decibels. You'll barely notice it's there, except for the cozy warmth. With precise temperature control and an eco mode, you decide how warm you want it and how much energy to use. It's a snap to install, doesn't take up much space, and it's packed with features to make your life easier and a whole lot warmer. Worried about what's happening when you're away from home or the office? Meet SpotCam Solo Pro, your new smart home security companion, ready to keep you connected no matter where life takes you. With it, it's easy to check in on 2.5K crisp live footage day or night from anywhere using your phone. Get instant alerts when motion or sound is detected via email, or push notifications to your mobile or tablet, as well as computer. Plus, you can talk to visitors with the two-way audio while you're away. Easy setup, simply plug in the power and connect to the internet cable to the base station. Just a few clicks and all the cameras will be set up directly. Built weatherproof for indoor and outdoor flexibility, it goes wherever you need an extra set of eyes, from the backyard to the entryway. The design of the base station allows for longer and more stable connection distances without the need for wiring construction. Need to see details in the dark? Night vision automatically activates after sunset, so you never miss a thing. There's even a built-in white spotlight for colorful night vision and strobe light. Plus, the free 7-day cloud recording service lets you keep your video footage on the cloud for free forever, with no need for a micro SD card and no extra cost. There is also a built-in micro SD card slot, so you can record locally up to 256 gigs with disconnection auto backup. You can automate your security system using Amazon Alexa, Google Home, IFTTT, or other smart platforms. On top of that, additional video AI services like face recognition, virtual fences, and more can be added later on. SpotCam truly makes smart home monitoring easy with crisp footage, customizable detection, and flexible power options that will keep you connected from anywhere through the free mobile app. Discover a router that takes your gaming and streaming to the next level. Introducing the Reyee AX6000 Wi-Fi router, built to provide you with seamless and lag-free gaming and entertainment. With its powerful 2 GHz quad-core processor, it delivers lightning-fast internet speeds of up to 6,000 megabits per second. You can experience lightning-fast internet speeds that ensure maximum throughput for all your online activities, with its 2.5 gigabits per second ports. And its 8 antennas provide an extensive signal range, so you'll never have to deal with pesky dead zones in your home again. Plus, it's optimized for your competitive gaming needs, with a dedicated Game Fast mode to reduce latency to a minimum. With the adaptive Wi-Fi QoS, your gaming traffic is prioritized for seamless connectivity, even with up to 10 players. Wait, there's more. Its dedicated gaming port ensures that your wired gaming device gets the fastest, most stable connection possible. Don't settle for disconnected gaming and pixelated videos. It will provide you with a networking experience that aligns with your digital lifestyle. With robust wireless coverage and optimized gaming performance, it's the ultimate router for you to gain gaming domination and enjoy seamless streaming. The Foxtheon iGo 3600 solar generator is a remarkable portable power station designed to provide high-capacity and versatile power options for various situations. At the heart of the iGo 3600 is its massive 3600 watt-hour lithium-ion battery pack, ensuring an ample power reserve for your devices. This high-capacity battery is complemented by a pure sine wave inverter, capable of delivering up to 3200 watt continuous power and a surge power of 3800 watt. The iGo 3600 comes equipped with various output ports to accommodate different charging needs, including AC outlets, USB-A, USB-C, DC, ECS, and a cigarette lighter port. Whether you need to charge multiple devices simultaneously or power larger appliances, this power station has you covered. To recharge the iGo 3600, you have the option of using an AC wall outlet or a compatible solar panel. This flexibility makes it suitable for outdoor adventures, emergency backup power during unforeseen situations, or off-grid living scenarios. The portable battery station also features an LED display that provides real-time information about the battery level, input or output wattage, and other important details. Despite its high-capacity battery and powerful inverter, the iGo 3600 remains portable and easy to transport. It comes with a convenient carrying case that enables you to take it with you on your outdoor excursions or store it safely when not in use. In conclusion, the Foxtheon iGo 3600 solar generator is a feature-rich portable power station that offers a substantial battery capacity, multiple output ports, and efficient charging options. Here we have the Eufy Video Doorbell E340, an impressive smart video doorbell that delivers a comprehensive set of features, ensuring top-notch security. This doorbell is equipped with a 360-degree surveillance camera, eliminating any blind spots and providing complete coverage of your property. The dual camera setup includes a 2K telephoto lens for crystal clear details and a 3K wide-angle lens that captures a wide perspective, ensuring that nothing escapes its watchful eye. Also, the f1.6 aperture here delivers pretty impressive low-light performance. With up to 2000 brightness adjustments and a color temperature range of up to 4000K, it ensures that your footage is always sharp and well lit, regardless of the lighting conditions. On top of that, it is not just a passive observer. Its AI detection can distinguish between humans, vehicles, and even pets, reducing false alarms and keeping you informed of relevant events with its smart alarm feature. Besides, the micro SD card support ensures your data remains secure and easily accessible. You can customize activity zones to focus on specific areas of concern, further enhancing the device's effectiveness. With an IP65 waterproof rating, this video doorbell can also withstand various weather conditions, ensuring durability and reliability. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control and monitor your security with ease. With this doorbell, you can trust that your home is well protected and under constant surveillance. So whether you're looking for casual convenience or a formal, robust security solution, the Eufy Video Doorbell E340 has it all. Whether you're looking to fortify your home or protect your business, Eufy Floodlight Cam E340 doesn't just deliver. It excels, ensuring you can sleep soundly, knowing that your property is safe and secure. Imagine having a camera that not only pans a full 360 degrees for a complete view, but also employs AI to identify people and track their every move. It's like having a vigilant security guard on duty 24/7, ensuring you're always in the know. Plus, you can schedule it to auto patrol, adding an extra layer of control to your surveillance strategy. But that's not all. This Floodlight cam comes equipped with dual cameras that offer the best of both worlds. The telephoto lens can zoom in and capture details up to an impressive 50 feet away, while the wide-angle camera delivers crystal clear 3K resolution for the bigger picture. You can even zoom in up to 8 times digitally to focus on specific areas or objects. Aside from that, a stable connection is essential for seamless video streaming and remote monitoring, and this Floodlight cam delivers on that front as well. It fully supports dual-band Wi-Fi 6, ensuring lightning-fast speeds and rock-solid connectivity. Not just a surveillance tool, this device also doubles as a potent lighting solution. With a dazzling peak brightness of 2000 lumens, you can customize the light to your heart's desire. Set it up for motion-activated illumination to deter potential intruders, or configure it as ambient lighting to enhance your property's aesthetics. And when it comes to storage, Eufy understands that flexibility is key. You can store up to 128 gigs of critical footage with a micro SD card. But if you need even more storage capacity, it's as simple as connecting this cam to the Homebase S380, granting you a staggering 16 terabytes of storage for all your security needs. In summary, the Eufy Floodlight Cam E340 is not just another security gadget, it's your trusty guardian angel. Experience the next level of home safety with the Xsense SC07WX Smart Smoke Detector. This innovative 2-in-1 alarm is equipped with advanced photoelectric smoke and Figaro electrochemical CO sensors, guaranteeing swift and precise detection for enhanced peace of mind. With a remarkable 10-year lifespan, you can trust in long-lasting protection for your home. Take control of your home's safety remotely through the Xsense Home Security app, receiving instant push notifications for alarms, low battery, faults, and more. Effortlessly share access to your devices with up to 12 family and friends, empowering them to monitor your home safety and stay informed with crucial alerts. This battery-powered smart alarm seamlessly connects to the Xsense Home Security app via a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, eliminating the need for a base station. Enjoy the convenience of monitoring your home safety from anywhere. As a valued subscriber to Protect Plus Premium, you can benefit from 24/7 professional monitoring services. In the event of an alarm, the monitoring center will reach out within 3 seconds to verify the emergency. Once confirmed, a prompt dispatch of a fire truck ensures rapid response to any potential threat. Your safety is the top priority. Gone are the days of uncomfortable headphones or disrupting your partner with loudspeakers. The Avantree Slumber pillow speaker is a revolutionary addition to the realm of sleep-enhancing technology, redefining the way we enjoy audio content while ensuring a peaceful night's sleep. What truly sets the Avantree Slumber apart is its incorporation of soothing white noise, which allows you to drift into slumber accompanied by the tranquil sounds of nature, waves, running water, or distant thunder. When it comes to sound quality, the Avantree Slumber truly excels. Its dual speaker system delivers exceptional audio clarity, enhancing your listening experience whether you're in the mood for music, podcasts, or audiobooks. The clear voice mode ensures impeccable clarity for spoken content, ideal for enjoying podcasts or audiobooks, while the balanced sound mode strikes the perfect equilibrium for your favorite music genres. With easy-to-use buttons, you can adjust the volume, play, pause, and more without ever leaving the comfort of your bed. Set your preferred sleep timer, and the speaker will automatically turn off, ensuring a restful and uninterrupted slumber. In addition to Bluetooth, it offers an aux input for traditional wired connections and a programmable SD card slot that allows guests to easily transfer their own audio files for a more personalized experience. Comfort is another hallmark of the Slumber pillow speaker. Designed with a foam-padded construction, it fits snugly into your pillow, ensuring you can enjoy your audio content without any discomfort. Besides, the speaker is also washer-friendly, allowing for easy maintenance. Simply remove the speakers and wash the cover as needed. In conclusion, the Avantree Slumber pillow speaker offers a truly immersive and restful audio experience while allowing you to wake up refreshed and ready to face the day. Say goodbye to cluttered coffee tables and multiple remotes. Meet the SofaBaton U2 Universal Remote Control, which is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of devices, including TVs, soundbars, streaming devices, and more. It boasts support for over 500,000 home entertainment devices from more than 6,000 brands, and its code database is continuously updated to ensure compatibility with the latest devices on the market. This means that no matter how many gadgets you have, the U2 remote can handle them all. Setting up this universal remote is a breeze, thanks to the SofaBaton app, which allows you to reassign buttons and create macro buttons according to your preferences. These macro buttons let you run multiple commands with one button. You can set the order and timing of the commands, like turning on the TV first and then the audio system. One of the most significant improvements in the U2 model compared to its predecessor is its powerful signal capabilities. The U2 features multiple built-in infrared receivers that expand the signal, effectively doubling the range. This remote's design is both ergonomic and user-friendly. It features larger buttons and a sliding scroll wheel that enhances user experience. Moreover, the advanced OLED screen offers a wider viewing angle, providing you with clear and convenient navigation. You can set a sleep time schedule to conserve battery power, ensuring your remote is always ready when you need it. Overall, the SofaBaton U2 Universal Remote Control is a powerful and versatile device that simplifies the process of controlling your home entertainment devices. It's a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their home entertainment setup. The Vividmoo Slow Masticating Juicer is not just another kitchen gadget, it's a game-changer for health-conscious individuals. Its patented slow-speed masticating technology delicately extracts the essence of your favorite ingredients while preserving their vital nutrients, enzymes, and antioxidants. This juicer also features a remarkable 3-inch unique larger chute that accommodates whole fruits and veggies, significantly cutting down your prep time. And with the innovative anti-drop design, you can kiss wastage goodbye and enjoy every sip of your nutritious creations. However, the Vividmoo juicer isn't just a one-trick pony. It's a versatile kitchen companion, doubling as a meat grinder or slicer shredder when attached to the hub of any Vividmoo juicer machine. The noise factor? You won't find it here. Thanks to the quiet DC motor that operates at less than 60 decibels, you can relish your juicing experience without disturbing your household or your peace of mind. With 2 speed modes and a handy reverse function, this juicer is incredibly versatile. The soft mode is perfect for delicate fruits and leafy greens, while the hard mode takes on tougher ingredients with ease. The reverse function is a savior, preventing blockages and ensuring uninterrupted juicing. No more complicated setups and tedious cleanups, the Vividmoo Slow Masticating Juicer can be disassembled in a matter of minutes with the push of a button. And all removable parts are dishwasher safe and made of food-grade material, making cleanup a breeze. In summary, the Vividmoo Slow Masticating Juicer is a kitchen powerhouse that delivers not just juice, but a health-boosting experience. So, that concludes our list of the 10 best smart home gadgets we have put to the test. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.